We begin by opening our Logix Designer project. Within the controller organizer of the project, we need to locate the desired program parameters and local tags. Programs are contained within tasks, and tasks are located within the tasks folder. If we expand any program, we will see the parameters and local tags. If we want to create local base tags within the table, we simply double-click the parameters and local tags. For creating and editing in the table, we need to verify that the Edit Tags tab is selected. To create a new local base tag, we go to the bottom row of the table and, in the leftmost cell, enter a name for the tag. Next, we need to select the local usage for the tag, as we will eventually change this tag to an alias. Finally, we need to select a data type for the new tag. Because we intend for these tags to eventually alias a hardware tag, and aliases must be of the same data type as the controller tag that they alias, we will choose the data type that matches the hardware tag that we intend to alias. In this example, we are going to alias the points of I/O modules, so the data type is Boolean. We may also create a new local base tag by right-clicking a program's parameters and local tags and selecting New Local Tag. Once the dialog appears, we name the tag, select a usage, select a data type, and click the Create button. Now we may create our logic using the local base tags. Of course, we may also create local base tags directly from within the logic editor. Once complete, we may download to the controller and test our logic by manually toggling the various bits.